Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how to stop message requests on Instagram, and it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen, and once you're inside our Instagram profile, you want to click on the three line at the top of your screen, which is also known as the hamburger menu on Instagram. Click on it, and from all these options, you want to choose the first option called settings. Now once you're inside settings, there is tons of option over here as well, but from over here you want to choose privacy option, the fourth one. Click on it, and again it's going to show you multiple options, so don't get confused or don't worry. From all this option, you want to search for messages. Alright, so search for messages and click on messages. So my messages is right below activity status. Yours should also be over there. So click on messages, and once you're inside messages, the first option where it says your followers on Instagram, click on it. So right now it's selected on message request, which means the people who don't follow me can send me a message request to talk with me. But since I want to turn it off, so those people who do not follow me, they can't send me message, so I can click on don't receive requests. Once I do that, it's going to say updating, and it should be updated. Now you can just basically leave again because you have done the thing which you want to. Now nobody can send me a message request, only the people who follow me can message me. So that's how we guys can stop message requests on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.